Neil Thompson, Sales Director for Gledhill Building Products and Atlantic, UK. In my opinion, the main challenges that the industry is facing is meeting government legislation at the moment. The world is a different place to where it was, say, 18 months ago. So we've very different challenges when it's energy and cost of living, but it's also meeting the consumer's needs as well within those legislative drivers for us as a business. So how do we make renewables more affordable? How do we make renewables more available and more domesticated as well? That's a big challenge for us as a manufacturer. And also the cross-skilling within the industry as well. I think making sure that we are delivering that training. It increases the need for stored hot water. It drives more awareness of the benefits of stored hot water as well, away from some of the traditional systems in terms of combis and gas boiler, electric boiler installations. We're also seeing an awful lot of move towards all electric solutions as well, which again for an electric division on panel radiators with Atlantic and on stored hot water, there's huge amounts of demand now driving forward to put stored domestic hot water back into properties. There's an awful lot of opportunity for the product roadmap and innovation within our industry that probably didn't present itself as much over the last 2 or 3 years, where there is a demand for more controllability or more energy management and energy efficiency. And our environmental standards as well as a business, meeting ISO requirements and environmental requirements, both in our output as a manufacturer, but as well as within our products as well. I think the issues identified, very much reflected across a lot of the standards. Air source heat pumps, quite obviously, were going to be a big feature today. But I think also more interestingly is that the inquiries we've received on the stand from installers, they're all wanting more information on where the future of domestic hot water is going, how that primary heat source is going to be generated, how they can keep up with those particular requirements. I think training, certainly that multi-skilling across our industry, and also I'd like to see more, I think, domestication of some of the renewable systems at the moment. It's very early days. Everybody's moving very fast and forward on their product roadmaps, Ideal Heating and Gledhill particularly. But there's still a long way to go to make them sort of integrate into the traditional UK home. I think we've seen more this year, people actually wanting to investigate products more, to see how manufacturers are changing, how they're meeting the different needs and requirements across our industry. So I think we've engaged with more people today on a professional installer level than we have done before. And I think we've seen more relevance in our visitors to the stand this year, definitely.